So question is, a train starts from station A at 9 a.m. and reaches B at 2 p.m. Another train starts from station B at 11 a.m. and reaches station A at 3 p.m. On their way, they meet at point P. The distance from the station A to P and the station B to P bears the ratio. So let's solve this. There's a station A, station B. A train starts at 9 a.m. and reaches at 2 p.m. That means it take time almost 5 hours. So if distance is between A and B is d, then speed of train will be d by 5 hours. Okay. Second train starts from 11 a.m. and it reaches station A at 3 p.m. That means it take 4 hours. The speed of this train would be d by 4 kilometer. Okay. So this station A, B, both train meet at point P. So we have to find out A by P, AP by BP, this distance. Okay, so 9 a.m. This train, first train started 9 a.m. So and this starts at 11 a.m. So in 2 hours, this 11 a.m. the first train will be at this place, and this distance would be how much? This will be 2 hours into speed of first train, that is d by 5 kilometer per hour. So okay, so this distance will be 2d by 5. Okay, so this remaining distance will be how much? This will be d minus 2d by 5, that is 3d by 5. Okay, so at 11 a.m. both train starts approaching each other. This is the concept of relative velocity. So their relative velocity would be, both are approaching towards each other, so it would be, we will add both d by 5 plus d by 4, that it will be 20, 90. Okay, this will be their relative velocity. Okay, so how much time will they take to cover this distance? They will take almost 3d by 5 divided by 9d by 20. This will be 3d 5 into 20 by 90 will be 4 by 3 hours. Okay, so this is the time. So first train will cover this in 4 by 3 time. It will cover distance of d by 5. Okay, this was it. The total AP distance would be, AP would be 2d by 5 plus 4d by 15, and similarly BP will be how much? 4 by 3 into d by 4. This will be d by 3. So we can calculate AP is equal to BP, and this will be around 6d plus 4d by 15 divided by 3d by d by 3. It will be 9. It will be 10d by 15 into 3d by d cancel 5 by 2. So answer will be 2 by 1. Answer would be 2 by 1.